Are you looking for the top 5 best outdoor shoe storage? I bought and tested these outdoor shoe storage solutions so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're tired of clutter and chaos at your entryway, stick around as I break down the top 5 options that promise to keep your outdoor shoes organized and your home looking. Product number 1. Boot Tray Heavy-Duty Rubber Mat. When I first laid my eyes on the Boot Tray Heavy-Duty Rubber Mat from Sopenuin, I knew I was in for a treat. Measuring 16 inches by 27.5 inches, this robust mat is more than just a pretty face. I placed it at my entryway, and it instantly transformed the space. The heavy-duty rubber material doesn't just look good, it's a workhorse. We've all been there, stepping inside with muddy boots or wet shoes and leaving a mess behind. But with this mat, those worries are a thing of the past. It features a raised edge that keeps water and dirt contained, so I never have to worry about my floors getting ruined. The non-slip surface is a game changer, preventing any accidental slips. Plus, the weight of the mat ensures it doesn't bend or crack under pressure, making it a solid investment. Pros? This mat is super easy to clean. Just rinse it off or give it a quick brush, and it's as good as new. I also love how it's versatile. Whether it's for shoes or even pet food spills, it serves multiple functions. On the flip side, it's a bit bulky, so if you're tight on space, you might want to consider that. Why should you buy it? If you want to maintain a tidy entryway, protect your floors from water and dirt, and have a durable product that looks good while doing its job, this is the one. It's reliable, stylish, and definitely worth every penny. Product number 2. Thickened Clear Shoe Storage Organizer. If you're like me and have a penchant for shoes, the Thickened Clear Shoe Storage Organizer from 7Code is a must-have. This 6-pack set has transformed my closet from chaos to calm. Each box is generously sized, 13.5 by 10.5 by 7.2, and made from thick, sturdy polypropylene that feels reassuringly durable. Setting them up was a breeze. No tools were needed, and they come together in minutes. I love how you can stock them, allowing me to maximize space without sacrificing accessibility. The transparent design makes it effortless to find the shoes I want without rummaging through a pile. On the positive side, these boxes accommodate everything from sneakers to heels, which is a huge plus for those of us who collect shoes. The magnetic door closure is a fantastic feature that keeps everything dust-free while being easy to open. However, I do wish they were a bit more lightweight. The sturdy build makes them slightly heavier than I expected. So, why buy this? If you're serious about organizing your footwear collection and want a product that's both practical and stylish. Product number 3. Sterilite 4-Shelf Cabinet. Going beyond just shoes, the Sterilite 4-Shelf Cabinet is a powerhouse for all kinds of storage needs. Measuring 25 5/8 inches by 18 7/8 inches by 69 3/8 inches, it offers ample room for everything from shoes to tools and cleaning supplies. I placed it in my garage, where it's become an essential organizational tool. The adjustable shelves are a game changer. I can customize the height to fit various items, and they hold up to 40 pounds each, which is impressive. One of the standout features is its durability. Made from a rugged plastic, this cabinet is resistant to dents and chips, ensuring it will last for years. The lockable feature adds a layer of security for storing valuable items, which I find particularly reassuring. However, it does take a bit of time to assemble, but it's worth it once it's set up. Why buy it? If you need a versatile storage solution that can handle everything from shoes to garage tools, this cabinet is well worth the investment. It's sturdy. Product number 4. Song Mix Shoe Rack Bench. Looking for a stylish storage solution? The Song Mix Shoe Rack Bench is not just a shoe organizer, it's a statement piece for your home. Measuring 11.3 inches deep times 27.6 inches wide times 17.8 inches high, it fits perfectly in my entryway and serves as an extra seat while I put on my shoes. Made from premium bamboo, it offers both sturdiness and an elegant look. I was pleasantly surprised to find that it can hold up to 286 pounds on the top, which is impressive for a shoe rock. The two wide shelves can accommodate about 6 pairs of shoes, keeping them organized and off the floor. I also use the top for my bags and other essentials, creating a tidy entryway. It's versatile too. I've used it as a side table and even a plant stand. On the downside, assembly can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with furniture setup, but the instructions are clear. Why buy this? If you want a stylish, multifunctional piece that saves space and adds character to your home, this shoe rack bench is a fantastic option. It's durable, attractive, and practical. Everything. Product number 5, Hubro Shoe Rack. The Hubro Shoe Rack is a game changer for anyone struggling with shoe clutter. This 4-tier storage organizer is designed to hold between 12 and 16 pairs of shoes, which is impressive. I placed it right by my front door, and it has made a world of difference. The size, 29.5 inches wide by 11.2 inches deep by 23.4 inches tall, fits perfectly in tight spaces, making it ideal for an entryway or closet. The removable layers allow for customization, meaning my high heels and boots have their own designated spots without cramping anyone's style. Constructed with durable materials including waterproof Oxford cloth and thickened iron pipes, this rack is built to last. I appreciate its stability. With a max load capacity of 22 pounds on top and 11 pounds per shelf, I never worry about it collapsing under the weight of my shoes. Assembly was straightforward thanks to the detailed instructions. However, it can be a bit wobbly if not placed on an even surface. Why buy this? If you're looking to organize your shoes while maximizing space and adding a touch of style to your home, In conclusion, whether you need a simple mat to keep your entryway tidy or a full cabinet to organize your entire shoe collection, there's something here for everyone. Investing in the right shoe storage solution not only enhances your home's aesthetics, but also saves you time and energy. So pick the one that suits your needs.